Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a cute Elsa. So, in this video, I'm going to use a black black pen. I'm using a black gel pen to draw. I would recommend to use a gel pen, a black gel pen and a white sheet of paper. Okay, so let's start. So the first step is to draw a curved line like this and then a small curved line and the bottom. This is the cheek and this is the whole face. Now extend this like this and then draw a ear. Okay, now I'm going to draw her eyes, which is going to be a nice big leaf shape kind of eyes. Okay, so draw the eyelashes with some triangles and then fill them up. Done. Now I'm going to draw the eyeballs. For that, draw a curved line which is going to touch the eyelashes and the bottom of the eye, and then draw another curved line in this kind of shape and then add a straight line at here. Now we need to fill this up too. So in this drawing you need to fill a lot of spaces so it looks good. Now I'm going to draw the other eye too. Now to draw the eyeball, the same procedure. So the face looks cute, right? And I have added some blushes at here and a lip. Now I'm going to draw the hair. Always add highlights to your hair. Like this. Now, just to complete our fat here, like this. The middle part is not so important, but the outer side and the inner side highlights are very important to make the hair look like a hair. Okay, so talk too much. Now I'm going to draw her braids with some leaf kind of shape and add some highlights on the bottom part. Okay, so I have drawn the total hair. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the hands. Okay, so I have completed completed her her right hand. Now I'm going to complete her left hand too, which is holding a braid. Okay, so now I'm going to draw her body, but before that I'm going to draw her neck. So like this. Okay, so now I'm going to draw her body. So her upper body is done. Now for the lower body, she wears a skirt which has a cut in between the legs. So and her legs. Now her robe. Done. So this was Elsa, and hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos, and don't forget to like,